I wanted to do a little bit of a size comparison because I know in the Amazon pictures it can be hard to tell what you're really seeing or how big something can be. So this is my friend's Blend Jet, which is 480 milliliters and a wider diameter. This one's 400 milliliters and a smaller diameter, but I really like that the charging port is smaller, as well as up here is a little smaller. The one thing I think this one could have done is definitely have the charger here. It's at the base, which is a little bit annoying, but probably better for when you're cleaning it, honestly, so then you don't have to worry about the charging port really getting hit with water when you're like washing the outside, which is nice.
So I purchased this small blender probably just about 6 weeks ago, and it has already stopped working. It was fully charged. I just took it off the charge this morning, and it's refusing to come on, and it's making some kind of weird noise from the base. So I will be putting this outside. I'm not sure if it's the batteries malfunctioning in there or what's going on, but I even feel some heat coming from the base. So I'm getting ready to remove this from my home before it catches on fire. So please do not purchase this blender. It is a waste of your money.